The fourth kit is our number 3300. It is our deluxe accessory assortment. It is the ideal gift, perfect for both the beginner and experienced do-it-yourselfer. This assortment contains our most popular accessories for grinding, cutting, engraving, cleaning, and polishing literally all materials. Let's review its 58 pieces. 12 red cut-off discs. 12 heavy-duty cut-off wheels. Our 6-piece diamond point set. 6-piece grinding stone set. 6-piece wire brush set. 6-piece polishing point set. And the 6-piece engraving cutter set. In addition, there are 2 1¼ fiberglass reinforced cut-offs, 1 1/8-inch standard flange mandrel, and 1 3/32 collet. Number 3306 is a 47-piece cut-off wheel assortment. It contains 12 red cut-off discs, discussed earlier. 12 very thin cut-off discs for more exact slicing, slotting, and cutting. 6 ultra-thin cut-off discs for ultimate precision. 6 heavy-duty cut-off discs for fast, wider grooving. 4 thin cut-off wheels. These thinner wheels are the fastest for narrow cutting. 4 1/2-inch heavy-duty cut-off wheels. 2 1¼ fiberglass reinforced cut-off discs, perfect for a wide variety of uses. And 1/8-inch mandrel. Number 3301 is a 42-piece cut-off wheel set. It is a smaller version of the 3306. It contains 36 red cut-off discs, 5 1¼ fiberglass reinforced cut-offs. These discs are multi-purpose and shatterproof. 1/8-inch mandrel. This kit includes a wide flange mandrel, which adds maximum support for all fragile cut-offs. Number 3302 is our 6-piece engraving cutter set. It features 3 round engravers. These allow detailed work on curved surfaces. Sizes are 1/32-inch, 1/16-inch, and 3/32-inch. 2 cylinders. They are ideal for slotted or notched surfaces. Sizes are 3/64-inch and 1/16-inch. 1 inverted cone. This engraver is our most popular size for grooved surfaces and narrow channels. Size is 1/32-inch.